Today, I'm going to teach you how to export data on ClickUp. This is an incredibly useful feature when you need to analyze your project data in spreadsheets, create reports, or simply back up your workspace information. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. To get started, open your browser and navigate to clickup.com. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signing into the workspace that contains the data you want to export, as this will determine which spaces and tasks you'll have access to. After you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on your main panel. Here, look for the Spaces section on the left sidebar. Spaces are where your projects and lists are organized in ClickUp. Click on the specific space that contains the data you want to export. This could be a marketing space, a development space, or any other workspace you've created for your team or personal projects. Once you've opened your chosen space, direct your attention to the right side of your screen. You'll see a button labeled Customize. Click on this button to access additional view options and customization features. This is where ClickUp lets you tailor how you see and interact with your data. Within the customization menu, you'll notice an option that says Export View. Go ahead and click on it. This is the gateway to exporting all the information you need from your current view. Now comes the part where you get to choose exactly what information you want to include in your export. You'll see three options: visible columns, task names only, or all columns. If you only want to export what's currently displayed on your screen, select visible columns. If you just need a simple list of task names, choose task names only. But if you want a comprehensive export with every piece of data, select all columns. Next, you'll need to select your preferred file format. ClickUp offers two options, CSV or Excel. Choose CSV if you want a universal format that works with most spreadsheet applications, or select Excel if you prefer Microsoft's native format. After that, you'll see a date format section. Here you can choose between normal, ISO, or POSIX formatting. The normal format is typically what most people are familiar with, but if you're working with international teams or specific database systems, you might prefer ISO or POSIX formatting. Similarly, you'll need to select a time format. Your options are normal, HH:MM, or HH:MM:SS. The normal format is user-friendly, while the other options give you more precise timestamps depending on your needs. Once you've made all your selections, click the download button. Your file will begin processing and should download to your computer shortly. And that's it, you've successfully exported your ClickUp data in the exact format you need. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.